Hi and welcome to session 5. Did you notice how the abdomen felt during the day? And did you notice the breath? We are still at the awareness stage, so don't worry about results at this time. Although you may already be experiencing some benefits from these few days of awareness, now the chest and back are also common areas for stress to be held. Although it may be harder to notice sensations from these areas compared with the abdomen, we are often less sensitive to discomfort and pain in the chest and back. So do try to notice all the sensations here today. But of course, don't try too hard during these sessions. Don't strain to create sensations. Just rest your attention patiently and connect with whatever is emerging from that area. So lie down comfortably and let's begin today's session. Take a few deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. And allowing your breathing to return to its natural rhythms. Gently close your eyes and bring your attention to the body, to the contact between body and floor. Experience the full weight of the body. Notice all the sensations from the whole body. Now, starting from your feet, moving up, you're going to explore and experience sensations in the body, not trying to change anything, just allowing yourself to notice. And at this stage, see if you can let go of describing the sensations to yourself. Instead, just experience them completely. Starting with your left foot. Right foot. Left ankle. Right ankle. Left shin and calf muscles. Right shin and calf muscles. left knee, right knee, left thigh, right thigh, hips and pelvic area, lower abdomen, navel and middle abdomen, upper abdomen, your whole abdomen. Noticing the sensations from inside the abdomen. Moving your attention to the chest, to the right side of your chest, left side of the chest, center of the chest, your heart, your whole chest. Moving your attention to the breath, allowing your body to breathe. Experience the movements. Notice if there's any tightness in the breath. Moving your attention to your lower back. Middle back, upper back, right shoulder blade, left shoulder blade, your entire spinal cord, from the base of the spine to the back of the neck. right arm, left arm, shoulders, back of the neck, neck and throat, your whole face. A whole head. Your whole head and face. Now experience your whole body, noticing any other areas of tension or stress. Moving your attention back to the contact between body and floor. Notice the contact of air on the skin. Notice any light shining through the eyelids. And slowly and gently open your eyes. How was the session for you? A tight body is a defense, and so it can be hard to relax the body even though you want to. So don't hurry up the process. A deep awareness will relax mind and body. But if you try to relax without attaining awareness, then the body still holds on to the stress. So keep building on this. Stay present to any sensations of stress in your body today, particularly paying attention to sensations from your chest and back. And I look forward to seeing you back for session 6.